pull the contents out of the pouch. Then attach the neck straps. Stick the suction cups to the mirror, then move the levers down. Next, begin your normal grooming regimen. If you need to stop and step away during grooming, hang the neck straps to the lever hooks. Once completed, flip the suction cup levers up and remove. Lower over the trash can and gently shake. Now, we package the contents back into the pouch. You are now the king of your castle.
And I'm the inventor of the GoateeSaver. I wanted to do a demonstration video for you today to show you how guys around the world are using the product to make their goatee or Van Dyke look even better. I wanted to first take and show you how to adjust the GoateeSaver to make it fit your size and your style of goatee. As you can see, on the front of the GoateeSaver, there are 3 different adjustments that you can take and make. There is an adjustment that you can make for the top part, closer to the top part of your face, and then there's a middle adjustment that you can make, which will be closer to your mouth, or the bottom. This will allow you to be able to get the size and style of goatee that you would like to have. Before I actually shave with the GoateeSaver, I also wanted to show you that there's an adjustment on the back for the mouthpiece. I will tell you that most people will need to use the mouthpiece in the default position. But you can take and twist and move the mouthpiece up higher if you wanted to adjust it on a different part of your face. Before you take and shave with the GoateeSaver, it's important to use a trimmer to get your goatee or Van Dyke to the length that you want to have it before shaving with the GoateeSaver. On the top of the GoateeSaver, there is a place that will allow you to line the product up with the center of your nose. That way you know that the GoateeSaver is straight on your face. Once you have the GoateeSaver placed on your face and you begin to shave, it is very important not to move the GoateeSaver until you're finished shaving. After I get through shaving with the GoateeSaver, I'll remove it and then take the straight edge of the razor and use it to shave right underneath my nose. When you shave with the GoateeSaver, one of the things that you'll notice is there is still about 1/8 of an inch of hair that will stick out beyond the GoateeSaver. If you look at the bottom of the razor, you can see that the reason this is the case is because how the razor was designed. There's about an 1/8.
The Supply Single Edge Razor, the closest and most comfortable shave ever. Don't believe me? Keep watching. Supply is a Kickstarter-born company. 2 years ago, we launched the Single Edge Safety Razor, which quickly became the most funded single edge razor delivered in Kickstarter history. We delivered the razors as promised and received hundreds of glowing reviews from our backers. Thousands of customers all over the world actually look forward to their morning shave thanks to the single edge. But now, we're back for more. We've heard our backers loud and clear about their wish list for the next version of the razor, and we've incorporated all of them into the Single Edge 2.0. It may look the same on the outside, but this is an entirely new razor. It's made from solid surgical grade stainless steel with a brand new cutting edge manufacturing process. And it's now offered in 4 stunning colors: classic matte, mirror polish, matte black, and jet black. The brand new black colors are created with a military grade titanium finish typically used for Navy SEAL watches. It's exceptionally durable, scratch resistant, and stunningly beautiful. But what's most important is how it shaves. We've taken an already excellent design and improved the comfort, the usability, and the overall feel of the razor. We've incorporated user feedback to improve the shave of the razor so that it shaves extremely close yet comfortably. The razor is designed to accommodate 3 different shave settings so that you can choose the one that's best for you. Choose the mild setting for sensitive skin and short beard growth, the aggressive setting for long beard growth or not so sensitive skin, and the classic setting for everything in between. Every razor comes with the classic setting, and the extra 2 settings can be added on to your pledge. Every handle ships with a 6-month supply of stainless steel single-edge blades. They're commonly known as injector blades. They've been in production for over 90 years and can be easily purchased online. They're twice as thick as standard razor blades, which means they last twice as long and shave twice as great. Unlike its cheaper counterparts, the single edge is crafted from 100% solid stainless steel, which means it won't rust, won't break, and carries a lifetime guarantee to back it up. For decades, men shaved with a single blade razor. Why? Because it worked, and it worked well. Today, millions of men around the world are waking up to the fact that shaving with 1 blade is superior to 5. So back us now and help us spread the single blade revolution. We can't wait to see where your mornings will take you with